If you are a small business, social media is one of the best tools you can use to sell more. But if you make some mistakes, it can tarnish your brand and even make people to blacklist your business. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel. If you are new here, I help you discover, learn, and improve your processes when it comes to business, money, productivity, time management, and personal development. Today, I'll be talking about some of the mistakes you should avoid when you're trying to build an audience on social media as a small business and get them to buy more from you. If you're ready, let's dive in. The number one mistake that you should avoid as a small business is getting to the wrong platform. Depending on the services or products that you offer, not all social media will appeal to your business. For example, your business might appeal to older people. So you might want to be on Facebook, and if it appeals to younger audience, you might want to be on Twitter or Instagram. But being on the wrong platform would not make you to sell more, and it will just make you spend more time uploading your products to this platform without getting results. What I would advise you is to do some research to see where your target audience are. Focus on that platform before thinking of moving to another platform to advertise your products. Another mistake that some small business owners make is jumping on all trends. Yes, you want to use trending topics to promote your business, but not all trending topic will appeal to selling your product. For example, when the EndSARS protest was going on in Nigeria, when people are being killed, now using the EndSARS protest or jumping on tweets discussing about the death of people to promote your business, it can make people angry and make them blacklist your brand. You want to use trending topics or hashtag to promote your business, but you should be very careful and have a second thought before posting on any social media. Ask yourself, will this post be good for my brand, or I should just leave it? Before jumping on any trending topic, you need to ask yourself and have a second thought. Posting this, will it be of good effect or bad effect on my brand? So you don't want to just jump on any trending topic, so that you don't want people to blacklist your brand, which can hurt you on the long run. Another mistake I see some small business owners do is not putting a price on their product when they post on social media. Come to think of it, you go to an online store and you see a product that you really like. You click on it and you find out that there is no price on it. Let me tell you something, people don't have time to go into your DM to say, oh, I like this product, I'd like to buy, how much is it? One, it might take you time before you even respond, and people might lose interest in the product. You should avoid the mistake of not putting a price. Nobody has time to come into your DM. And when you post the product and people ask you, oh, how much is this? Don't say, check your DM for price. People don't have time to check their DM. They want to make a decision instantly. Will I be able to afford this product or not? I personally, once I see a product that I like without a price on it, is a great turn off for me. When posting your product next on any social media platform, put the right price on your post and you see a difference in the way people respond to your post. The fourth mistake I noticed small business owners make is spamming every post they see on social media with their products. Yes, you want to get your product out there for people to see, but posting your product frequently on every post you see on social media will turn people off and may actually make them blacklist your post for other people to see. When you see a post on social media, think of it, can my product solve a problem if I post it under? So what you want to do is, when you're scrolling through social media, if it's not on your personal page, you need to see that your product is actually solving a problem for this person and recommend it. When people see that your product is solving their problem, you will see that people will constantly want to check on your product and in a way build their trust and for them to buy from you. The number 5 mistake I see small businesses make on social media is not responding to comments or questions by people. When you post on social media and someone takes time to actually appreciate your work, it takes just 1 second to respond to that person. The person might not actually buy or even ask for your product today, but that person is a potential customer tomorrow, depending on how you treat them today. When you post on social media and you see a comment, like the comment and actually respond back to the person. If the person asks a question that begs for answer, instead of saying, oh, check your DM for your answer, you can respond immediately on the timeline. Doing that will give other people a sense that, okay, this person is actually serious about business and can attract other potential customers. I would like to know, which of these mistakes have you seen small business owners make on social media? And if you are a small business owner, which of these mistakes have you been making and will you try to avoid in your next social media post? Drop that in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, turn on notification so that you know when I release a new video.